Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to build a project tracker in Coda step by step in 2026. Many teams struggle to manage tasks, deadlines, and progress, and Coda makes it simple and collaborative. First, create a new Coda doc. Click New Doc and choose Blank or Project Template. Templates save time with pre-built tables. Next, insert a table for tasks. Add columns like task name, assignee, status, priority, start date, and due date. Each row represents a single task. Now fill in your tasks. Enter all current and upcoming tasks. Keep details clear and organized. After that, customize columns. Set status as a select list, not started, in progress, completed, and priority as high, medium, low. Formulas can calculate days remaining automatically. Next, filter and sort your table. Show only active tasks or sort by due date. This keeps focus on urgent items. Then create multiple views. Use Kanban, calendar, or gallery views. Team members can choose the view that works best. Now, link tables if needed. Track dependencies between projects and subtasks. This keeps progress clear. Finally, share and collaborate. Invite team members and set permissions. Everyone can update tasks in real time. So yeah, building a project tracker in Coda means creating tables, adding tasks, customizing columns, using formulas, filtering and sorting, creating views, linking tables, and collaborating. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next guide.